Alright, so what is good, everybody on YouTube? This is of course your boy B, Bullet RC, coming to you guys again with yet another video. And today, honestly I'm just kind of chilling, but I did have some stuff to unbox, one of which is actually a gift and I don't know what it is, so I thought we could do some type of mystery unboxing. And also, you guys know we've been having a bit of, not even a bit, a whole lot of camera troubles in the last couple weeks. So I had to actually reorder something that I'm about to unbox right now. I also wanted to go ahead and head out to the P.O. box, but before we do all that, bruh, I gotta say shouts out to the Finesse gang. Those who get here early, subscribe, finesse the bell, leave a comment early on in the video, and you might see your name up on the screen. I usually do it kind of randomly, so you never know when you might see your name right here scrolling up and down with me. Anyways, man, as I was saying before, we got a double unboxing today, a little bit of a mystery double unboxing today. And also wanted to shout out to the homie that copped something off of Bull's Bodega. Let me grab it real quick. So I got your pack nice and secure right here. Shouts out to the homie Gino out there in North Carolina. Shouts out to North Carolina, by the way. He caught the pair of kicks off of Bull's Bodega. I'll be shipping these out today and just letting you guys know the 13th video will be this week. And I guess once I do a 13th video, I'm going to try to update Bull's Bodega with some new stuff. Maybe even some of the new stuff that I've been copying. You guys know I had that Supreme bag I might throw up there. It's a couple things I need to let go of. So that'll probably be when Bull's Bodega goes ahead and gets updated. So let me go ahead and put Gino's kicks right down here. And let's get to the first unboxing. Listen, Finesse gang, I appreciate y'all coming through, dropping a like and doing all that good stuff all the time. But I gotta move you off the screen because I need to unbox this, which will allow us to actually go out and hit the P.O. box. So once again, let me grab this box. And here it is, man. There's over a rack in this box. Well, actually about a rack in this box, and it is from Amazon. Shouts out to Amazon Prime, bruh. This is not a sponsored ad, but I actually use it a lot, so I fuck with Amazon. Appreciate y'all. And let me go ahead, take all this off. First off, y'all know I gotta ship all those Bull's Bodega orders, so some packing paper, some packing slips, yes. But I also had to order a whole new Panasonic 8-18 millimeter. This is the lens I usually use when I do wide, when I'm vlogging. If you're ever wondering what I usually use, I'm usually using a GH5. Right now I got the Sigma 18-35, the 1.8 millimeter or whatever art lens. And when I'm vlogging, I usually use the Panasonic 8-18. And it hurts me to say this, but man, dealing with this fucking Panasonic camera, and it's not even the camera's fault, it's my fault. I've bought the same shit like 3 times over. At this point, I feel like I've spent more, maybe about 10 racks on camera equipment alone. Maybe a little, like 8 racks on camera equipment alone with this new camera. That's not even counting the old Canon shit. And bruh, listen, I got the tile on this one now because I can't lose any more cameras, bruh. I can't do it. I hate spending the money over and over again over a dumb, stupid ass mistake. So what I'm gonna do real quick is I'm gonna go ahead and switch this lens out for that one so you guys can kind of see the difference. I'm gonna leave the camera in the same spot. It should be a lot wider. So yeah, this is the difference between wide angle and my art lens. Matter of fact, let me move y'all a little closer. There's too much going on right here. So if y'all kind of wondering what I use, well, now you can see 8-18, usually the 18-35, 1.8, 3 or 2.8 right here. And for camera guys, they'll get what I'm saying. If you don't, it's all good. But it's time. We need to go ahead and hit the actual post office. And that's why the 13th video has actually been postponed, because I needed my wide lens. Didn't have it yet, just so when I'm driving in the car, I can give you those visuals. But let's go ahead. Let's get out of here.
Okay, shawty no slow, shawty want a rock star, shawty want a rock star, okay, shawty want a rock star, okay, shawty no slow.
So I actually just realized this is not the right pair of Yeezys. This is a DS double up joints that I got. I need to grab the ones I actually already wore. Hold on. Alright, you got them. They're right here. The worn pair. These shits, I'm wearing these shits today. Alright, y'all, shoes are loaded up in the back. You guys seen that. And also, y'all let me know. I had somebody actually comment on my last video and they were asking me, am I going to do like a review or like a reaction to that new ASAP Rocky joint testing. Apparently it's supposed to be dropping on Friday. I'm not really sure, but if I can make some time, I will definitely make that happen for y'all. But like I said, bro, it is time. Let's go ahead, hit the post office. Hopefully we'll have some blessings there if I can get there in time. So Gino, just letting you know, bruh, your shoes are on the way. And let me just make sure. I told y'all I lost my P.O. box key, and I actually found it recently. I found both of them. So let's go check the P.O. box. Alright, y'all, and we are back. So listen, no blessings this time in the P.O. box, but I did get an invitation to do some volunteering, so who knows, maybe Bull the volunteer will be here one day. But another thing too, y'all probably hear the Cardi playing in the background. The only reason I haven't been using Cardi tracks in my songs or any of the ones off his album really is because, bro, the copyright police are out heavy and I'm not trying to get clapped. So let's go ahead and head back to the crib. I'll see y'all there.
24 hours later.
All right, y'all, we're back. And I just spent the last couple minutes shooting the end of the video, doing the mystery unboxing, you know, blindfolding. You see the blindfold in the back. I did all that, and this, man, my luck with these cameras, bro, sometimes is wild. I did all that, and this is what the audio sounds like. But regardless, I still wanted to show off my gift and what I got, and show off what she got. And let's just get into what she got first. Of course, all white box. This is the acronym Nike Vapor Max, and she called, I think it's called like the something Bandit, the Dirty Bandit, Thirsty Bandit, one of those. It's a bandit pair of the Vapor Max Mach, and this was the acronym pair. And I actually like this pair better than the white and green. I didn't know, really couldn't tell what the colors were until I got them in hand. It's actually like an olive green, a gray, and then you got this really nice hot pink hit on the back. So it's actually a really nice pair of the Vapor Maxes. And when I unboxed them, it's super easy to guess this shoe just because of the bottoms. Like the Vapor Max bottom is super easy. You can tell exactly what's in your hand once you open up the box. So she went ahead and grabbed these. This is the acronym Nike Vapor Max, and she went a little big baller brand because she copped these, and I think the retail on these was 200 plus. She got them in size 8.5, and I'm pretty sure she'll be happy with what she got. So she got these, and in the unboxing I was like, yo, if she got me these, I'd be pretty hyped about it because in hand they're clean. So then next up, I get my box. It's a bigger box, of course, because Yacht Foot Gang, and she actually got me these. Now you see the box, the elephant print on the bottom, and I couldn't really tell what they were from the box alone, but as soon as I reached down and grabbed a pair, it was like instantaneous, like, okay, obviously this has to be a pair of Air Jordan 3s, and the only Air Jordan 3 that's released recently is the Katrina Air Jordan 3. Now y'all know I have been talking about this shoe, and she actually got it for me because when this shoe released, I was actually in Montreal, and the day it released, I was actually headed to SneakerCon Montreal, where I don't have any footage from because, as I explained before, you know, my camera is just in Montreal. Someone else is using it right now, so happy birthday, Merry Christmas to whoever just pocketed my camera. Hey, good luck with that. Maybe they'll even start a YouTube channel and throw one of my clips in there and say, hey, appreciate the free camera, bro. But yeah, man, I have been talking about this shoe right here. Super nice, easy spring colorway, spring and summer colorway, the Katrina Air Jordan 3. And yeah, man, my girl, she came through for me. She copped these when I couldn't, and she went ahead and threw me the oop. And I just hate that I literally had a really dope and fun unboxing, and just because the mic wasn't plugged in all the way, it completely fucked it completely up. So that was the mystery unboxing gone wrong. Of course, Vapor Maxes right here from Acronym, and also the Katrina Air Jordan 3 down here. So man, that's gonna be it, bro. That is a wrap. Much love to all the fam, followers, and of course supporters. You guys can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, SoundCloud, Snapchat. The Snapchat is bull.cb, by the way. Here, there, Buzzy Bob. Of course, hold on, I got him. Bullet RC, and I'm gonna see y'all on that next video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and if you pick these up, let me know. These are a lot cleaner in person, but yeah, man, that's it. I'm sorry that my camera and I fucked up, but I'm gonna see y'all next time. Peace.